Hi guys, how are you? Hopefully doing well at home. Okay, in the previous videos I have already told you what is an advertisement, how to draft advertisement, what are the different types of advertisement, what is situation vacant advertisement. I have taught you one situation vacant advertisement, and through that you have understood how to draft situation vacant advertisement if comes in the exam. It is of 4 marks, only 50 words are there, and you can draft any type of advertisement which will come in the category of situation vacant. Today I am going to tell you how to draft an advertisement situation wanted. First of all, you should know that job is very important in life. Without work, life is impossible. With job, one can fulfill the desires and family needs. Eventually, one can attain confidence, self-respect, and social status, which makes one feel the part of the society. So when a person completes the academic qualification and then he starts searching job for the purpose, one can give advertisement in the newspaper. Now question is how to draft an advertisement for situation wanted. I have drafted one advertisement for situation wanted. Through that you can get the knowledge of all types of advertisement which will come in your exams under the category of situation wanted. Let us start and hopefully you will understand the drafted advertisement. Let's see on the screen. Okay. Suppose you are an engineer and you want a job in a good company, reputed company. What will you do? You will not go to any company to search that job. You will just draft an advertisement and get it published in a reputed newspaper. Now, what to do and how to draft? Let's see. Situation wanted, again in capital letters as a catchy heading or catchy title. Put the whole advertisement in a box, then start your first line with this statement: a meritorious graduate engineer seeks a suitable job in a reputed company. Seeks means look for. Next, specialized in cyber security and forensics or a computer engineer, technology expertise, Hindi and English language competence. These all are the qualities of an engineer who want to apply for this job. 5 years experience, expected salary 1 lakh or above. Again I am telling you in the previous video, as I have already told you, that you have to add the adjectives, the qualification, the experience, abilities, efficiencies, and all the calibers which you have, you can add in the advertisement. The last line you can see, please contact Amita, phone number or email ID, then email address. And in such a manner you can draft a beautiful advertisement under the category of situation wanted. Now this was one advertisement, situation wanted, and I have promised you that if you will learn only one advertisement under the category of one title like situation vacant or situation wanted, you will learn all type of advertisement coming in the same category. Today also you will see that by drafting and learning one type of advertisement under the category of situation wanted, you will be able to draft all advertisement which will come in the exams in the question. Now you will see, I will give you one more example here. Suppose a doctor wants a job in the hospital, in a reputed hospital. Now he will also draft in the same. How? An MBBS doctor seeks a suitable job in a reputed company. Instead of reputed company, we will write in a reputed hospital. Then engineer was specialized in cyber security and forensics, but here doctor will tell the qualification of himself: sound knowledge of medical terminology, good command over handling the medical equipments, can handle the patients, assisting the most reputed doctor in checking the patients, 1-year internship program in Medanta Hospital. Personal skills: polite, confident. Salary expected 1.5 lakh or above. Please contact the name, phone number or email ID amita@gmail.com. So in such a manner, you can draft beautiful advertisement under the category of situation wanted. By learning these two advertisements, you can draft any type of advertisement which will come in the exams under the category of situation wanted. I hope that I have solved your purpose of advertising situation wanted, and you will definitely get 4 out of 4. Keep doing practice, keep learning, keep watching my videos. All the best and have a nice day. Bye bye.